Well, everyone, Christmas is over. I hope you had a great holiday season. We're taking everything down on the tree, and I noticed there's a gift with my name on it. I don't know if you guys noticed, but or heard that I got another beetle for Christmas, a red one. Here it is. So that's pretty cool. But this particular gift right here, let's see what we got in here. Look at that. Let's see what we got inside here. All this popcorn in here. It's gonna make a little bit of a mess. Here we go. These mats go, these are for Alfonso. These mats go underneath the seats. The other ones were kind of corroded, so falling apart, so got some of them. What else we got in here? All right, we got another seal. Window seal for the driver's rear window. I destroyed the other seal trying to put the window in. I don't know, man, these seals, I don't know if it's just poor quality seals, but I tried to go Wagons West and Wolfsburg West. And hopefully it's better quality. I got a pop top trim for the Westy, so this will go on the inside, so this is going to be on the paneling, so we'll get a little seal for that. What else we got in here? So we got couple bumper stops for the, I guess that's what they call it. I don't know what they're really called, what the name for them is, but for the luggage tray, there's a couple rubber bumpers that when it goes on, the screws go through and they kind of hold it in place. A little support for it. So I got that, and I got more of the vinyl. So this is going to go on the inside when I put the canvas on. This is what I'm going to staple through. So I got new stuff of that. The old stuff is, actually, the old stuff's a lot thicker, but the staples on through it, so I think that might be it in here. Yep, that's it. That is it. So hopefully we'll get the window in soon. I got to replace the windshield because it's cracked, so we're gonna do a little bit more work on that. So keep watching, and like I said, you're going to see some more updates here. We're really trying to crank out a lot on Alfonso. This year, let's see, January will be 2 years I've had him. So 2 years is a long time for a project. So time to get him finished. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you had a great holiday season. We will see you and have a happy new year, okay? Thanks, guys.